new vlog. First of all, I want to start off with some exciting news about our retreat. So as most of you guys know, we are doing our first Sweet Soul retreat to Costa Rica, and the exciting update is that we have officially opened up 6 more spots for anyone out there who wants to join us this October 2024, October 3rd to the 8th in Rincón de la Vieja in Costa Rica. You guys know I have a really deep love for that beautiful country, and so this being our first retreat, it's going to be a beautiful, magical, meaningful, deep experience. So we're going to be having many different activities, but it really is going to be a time for resting and relaxation and rejuvenation and connection with other women. Of course, we're gonna have some workshops led by yours truly. We're gonna have meditation. It's gonna be a really big part. And I'm even thinking of adding a workshop of yoga, like body movement, now that I'm a certified yoga teacher. I'm really excited, and if you guys want to join us, there are 6 spots available for you guys to join us this coming October. We also have payment plans available for you guys, and we already started our group chat so we can all start to get to know each other before we get to Costa Rica. But just think about it, like a big group of women coming together to make friends, to align, to ascend, to relax, to have fun, to travel together. If you ever wanted to go to Costa Rica, if you're a busy career woman, if you're a mother, this is the perfect time to disconnect and do something for yourself. All the link is gonna be in the comment section, also in the info bar, so you guys can RSVP your spots. Make sure you get your spot, guys. We're planning more retreats for the coming 2025. The next one is going to be Playa del Carmen, Mexico. So I'm really excited, guys. So thank you all so much for joining our retreat already, and I can't wait to see you guys in Costa Rica. It's going to be incredibly phenomenal. I already feel it's going to be the time of our lives to travel together. Oh, I can't wait. So I'm just getting ready for the day. Today is Friday. It's a busy day full of things to do, exciting things, and I am starting off my morning by deep cleaning my face because it is that time of the month and I'm already feeling some breakouts happening on the chin. And today I am actually gonna go on a walk, about a 50-minute walk, because I have a class that I need to listen to. Some more exciting news that I want to share with you guys. I am back in school and I am enrolled in a 1-year program for becoming an integrative nutritional health coach, and I'm really excited for this really long journey, and so everything is moving really fast paced and I need to maximize my time. And so since today is the first day of my period, I wanted to take it easy. I didn't want to do any weight training, and so I'm just gonna go for a beautiful walk and then also listen to my class at the same time, because my next module starts in like 2 days and I just started this module. So I have a lot to catch up and it's really exciting. I'm really excited to transform my own life through everything that I'm gonna learn and then help people do the same. It is February and I feel like I just found balance in my goals and everything. It took me like a whole 2 months to figure this out. And so finally I'm like, now I know what I want to laser focus on this year, and everything else is going to be a no-go. So one of my daily rituals for my home is to dust mop the entire house, organize things and put things away. I always like to say everything has a home, and I do this after my boys leave to school and I'm home alone, and I'll play beautiful mantra music, high vibrational mantra music, then I dust mop, and then when I'm done dust mopping, I'll burn incense. And my sister Wendy actually gave me this waterfall for my birthday 2 years ago, and so a really good feng shui tip, even though I'm not an expert in feng shui, is to have the sound of water playing in your house, whether it be an actual water fountain, which is recommended, or you can just play nature songs. Do you guys hear the birds? Oh my gosh, nothing like a morning after the rain. I also wanted to show you these 3 books that my mom got me as a gift. We are both very passionate about herbal remedies and, you know, not taking medication when it's not necessary, and only when it's absolutely necessary, you know? And this is something that has been passed down since my grandmother, my great-great-grandmother, and my mom. Since I was a very little girl, she's always done little different recetas for either beauty or treatments. My dad also knows a lot about this stuff. So she gave me these 3 books, and she also recommended Barbara O'Neill. She told me about this doctor in Australia, and she has a YouTube channel, and she has the best knowledge when it comes to alternative medicine. And so I was reading these books, and I love also that she wrote me like something beautiful in each of them. And so these are books that I'm going to treasure forever in my Herbal Apothecary, you know, kind of green witchy library. And this one was a book that was really interesting to me because I knew a little bit about cayenne pepper. Once you start learning everything cayenne pepper does, wow, it is mind-blowing. We need to be drinking this every single day. Every single day. So we're going to start adding this to water. And I want to find other ways to ingest cayenne pepper on a daily basis, but I'm really excited to start doing some of these remedies. One of my visions when I get older is I want to be that really old grandma that knows all of the recipes and all of the remedios caseros, and I just be telling my whole family, you need to make this, you need to make that, or I'll make that and give it to them. But that is like my vision when I'm like, I mean, I'm doing it now with my own family, but I also want my great-grandchildren to be coming to me for herbal remedies. Nice and washed, and everything is ready to be stored. This just came in today, which are dried elderberries, which are really great for immunity support and also making cough syrups and cough suppressants. And I also wanted to add all the flowers that I have here, the different kinds like almond, coconut. I wanted to put them in the bigger jars, so we'll see if it all fits. And yeah, I'm really excited about a lot of these new herbs, which I've never tried before, like dandelion, horsetail, and what else haven't I tried? Skullcap is also a new one. And this one here, red clover blossoms. So I'm gonna go ahead and put everything while I enjoy a little cup of cafecito. share with you guys my process for making my vision board. I really do believe in the power of visualization, and last year I created a vision board and several things on that board have come to fruition, like the Costa Rica retreat and my podcast and several other things that are on that vision board, that because I was lacking a little bit of clarity in just my life, I decided to actually do a vision board, another one. So I still have the other one up because there's still some things in there that I want to make a reality. But I just got back from Staples and I printed out all of the photos, 13 pages of photos. And my process for a vision board, I basically just go onto Pinterest and I save. Well, the first thing that I do is write all the key words of what I want to feel for the coming year and beyond. So I don't necessarily have like a 2024 vision per se, even though I do tend to make only one a year. But I think what's really important is choosing words to begin that invoke the feeling that you want to feel. I then went onto Pinterest and just kind of searched the word, and whatever image really resonated with my soul, I saved it onto a folder, and then I downloaded all the images and I put them in a Word document, and then I just get them printed out and I fit them in here according to the size that I want to have on my vision board. So that is the process that I go and do. I love the quality of paper from Staples, and I wanted to have it in high quality color. So I did end up paying about $10 for 13 pages, which is a really great deal. Also, you can follow me on Spotify and you can check out the playlists that I have created. I will create a playlist specifically for vision boards. I have one for tapping into your feminine, and I'm gonna just create a lot of different playlists because music is that one force and energy that really just puts me in the vibe that I wanna be in. So when I'm making a vision board, I personally don't just get random magazines unless I would do like a vision board party, but I like to be very intentional with every image because the image is going to invoke the feeling. And so it's a lot easier for me to just, go on Pinterest and get the exact images of what I'm looking for, instead of, just browsing so much through magazines, hoping to find something that resonates. And usually whenever I do that process, which I have done in the past, it's just kind of like a fun activity, but the vision board never really takes off. So I find that you really want to be intentional about the images that you put on your board. And I'm really happy with the outcome of my vision board. I love every single image in here. And this is the first time that I actually fill out every little corner of the board. And I even had some images left over that didn't fit in here. But I'm going to use those pictures for my journals. And yeah, really happy with my vision board. This is something I've been wanting to do for a few months already. So I'm really happy that I got a chance to do the vision board. And hopefully it inspires you guys to create your own vision board at home.